Hello students, today we will discuss what is the use of first mean value theorem in integral. Let we have 0 to 1 x square upon root 1 plus x dx. Then we will find out that this value is in between 1 by 3 root 2 and 1 by 3. Now let us define fx equals to 1 by root 1 plus x and gx is equals to x square. So fx is continuous on closed interval 0, 1. So this at it is compact interval, so this is uniformly continuous too. Also gx is greater than equals to 0 on closed interval and it is continuous on closed interval too. Both functions are uniformly continuous and continuous on closed interval 0, 1. Now therefore by the first mean value theorem we have integral 0 to 1 fx dx is equals to 0 to 1 x square upon root 1 plus x dx. Now we will put by first mean value theorem f at c, because c is in between 0 to 1, f of c 0 to 1 gx dx. What is gx is x square dx and f of c is 1 over root 1 plus c. Now put the taking the integral of this 1 over root 1 plus c, x square is x cube by 3 and the limit is 0 to 1, so it will become 1 by 3 root 1 plus c, where c is in between 0 to 1. Now when we have c is in between 0 to 1, then 1 plus c, taking 1 on both sides, then 1 plus c is in between 1 to 2. As we will find out, we will have to find out 1 plus x, then it is 1 plus c, it can be written as 1 plus c, so this will become 1 plus c is in between 1 to 2, so 1 over 1 plus c is in between 1 to 1 by 2, right? 1 by 2 is lesser value to 1 by 1 plus c is less than to 1. Now taking the root of this, making this function is type of 1 over 3 root 1 plus c and put c is equals to x, then the required result is proved. What we have to find out, right?